Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Monday, May 20th. Well, bulls have nothing to complain about. New all-time highs again on Friday. 1663 up 15 in the E-mini S&P, a 2% rise on the week. New all-time highs were posted at 1665 and 3/4 that we'll want to keep an eye on up above. The Dow added 103 points at 15,315, and the Nasdaq added 24.5 at 3,022 and 3/4. The currencies were off a little bit as far as the euro goes. The euro was down 78, lost 150 points on the week last week, finished at 128.31. Looking to see if that 128 support can hold. Been trading between 128 and 132 over the last month. The dollar index made new highs, new post-2010 highs, up 67 points at 84.39 on Friday. The bond market confirmed this strength in equities. We had a nice unwinding of safety bonds on Friday, down 115, closed at 143.31. Crude oil also held strong, up 84 cents at 96.29. The high on the session was 96.74, with that strong resistance at 97 that's been holding crude oil back. Gold continued to suffer. It was down another $22 on Friday at 13.65 and lost a total of $72 on the week last week. So after another record week in stocks, where do things stand on this Monday morning to begin a new trading week? Well, right now we're steady. The E-mini S&P is unchanged at 1663. Dow futures are down 15,312, and the Nasdaq's down 1.25 points at 3,021. The euro currency is seeing a little bit of a bounce from that 128 support. We're up 33 right now at 128.63, and the dollar index has retreated back to this previous high or this previous pivot here at 84 right now. Like I talked about, we just went up to the highest point we've seen since middle of 2010, so it'll be interesting to see what the dollar does from here. Bond market steady at 144. It's been moving lower ever since we saw the yield push above the 3% resistance. We've been seeing Treasury bonds continue to unwind on a very positive sign for stocks, that money's coming out of Treasuries and going into stocks. And crude as we stand right now is down 29 cents at $96 a barrel. Again, keep an eye on 97. And if you can get to 97, then 98 would be a full V recovery from the sell-off that we saw from 98 down to 86, back up to 98 again. Gold, nothing good for the bulls today. 1352, down 12 right now. We've come all the way back down to that extreme low at 1320 that we'll want to watch to see if that acts as support. We haven't gotten there yet, but that's the next level to keep an eye on, and we're not that far away with gold being at 1352 as we stand right now. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours before the market gets started here in cash equities, right now we're steady, 1663 in the S&P, down 3 points in the Dow futures at 15,312, and the mover so far this morning is gold continues to drift lower, 1352, down $12. I will see you Tuesday morning for the Stir in the Markets to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.